Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of Honeyflow. This morning I'm going to go over a few of the charts that are on my watch list and break down the technical analysis as quickly and cleanly as possible on each one. Everything is looking, well, pretty green this morning in the pre-market, so I wouldn't be surprised for a slight pullback after open. It's important to remember that big money wants to buy at discounts, not at full prices, so price may need to come down just a little bit to re-engage buyers and get their interest, especially those big buyers. Pullbacks don't necessarily mean a change in trend, though, so just keep that in mind as you go out throughout your day. It's good to have a trend following system. So, personally, what I use is this Ripster's EMA Clouds. You can see it right here, Ripster EMA Clouds. And a lot of times I'll look for like the 1 hour to pullbacks to the 9 EMA. Definitely nothing more than the 3550 EMAs down here. Or really shorter term, I look at the 10-minute. I will look for the same thing. So maybe a pullback here. In this case, to the 3450 EMAs. If it gets below there, then you're looking at trend change. But follow whatever trend system that you have and use that for these types of days when price just continues to push. So I'm going to turn this off for now just to make it so we can see the charts a little bit cleaner. And first up, I have coin. Now, what I like about coin is that it's being supported by this 57.34 level, and we have a clear top as well. So this is kind of like the consolidation or a tightening of the spring before it moves again. Now, my bias is obviously up on this one, but we'll see what this one gives us. So a daily close under 57.34 would kill any long bias or bull thesis that I have on this, but on the upside, I like a target of 63, what's called 63.75, and also a gap fill up here at 66.55. Now, a potential good spot for call entries would be right here at $60.17 or a breakout of this 4-day consolidation at 61.31, kind of right where we're sitting right now. And next we have CrowdStrike. With CrowdStrike, we have an ascending triangle that's been setting up for several days now. I think this is heading up to the top of the triangle, and the play is really a breakout of this triangle right here at $40.18 and targeting the November highs, November 2022 highs, which would be somewhere right over here around, let's call it 147 to 151.50. Quickly going over Microsoft, if I can find it here. Microsoft has been setting up the same thing, a tightening of this triangle, but we actually got the breakout yesterday. And so, with how much strength this stock has had lately, I would definitely like a push up here to this little resistance area. As you can see, we have a little bit of resistance or supply zone up here, and that's going to be at basically right at 16 or just before 16. So I like that, and then also a push up here to the key psychological level at $320. Now, a potential spot for call entries would be a pullback right here to either, well, I would say right here at 313 again, or potentially coming up here to 313.68. Somewhere in between this level is where I'd be looking at for calls. Next up, I have CHWY on the charts. Now, this is probably the one that's the highest on my list, to be honest with you. I really like how CHWY has been setting up. It bounced off of this demand zone right here, set up a real nice hammer candle, and we have a 4-day bull flag that's been going on. I'd say 1, 2, 3, 5-day bull flag that's been going on. So really, I'd be looking for a breakout of this bull flag, which you can already see is happening this morning. So yeah, I'd look at the target for the upside. I'd like targets up here at the top of the bull flag at 35.79 as well as 36.33. That's what I'd be looking at. And for entries, maybe right up here at the top of yesterday's high would be a good spot for a call entry. And lastly, I have Amazon. Amazon has been looking really strong lately. So we had a breakout of this resistance area right here at roughly 414.12. So I would like to see this one just keep on pushing, and I would really be looking at taking out these October highs back here. And that's going to be from about 119.26 to about 121.32. Those aren't exact numbers, just kind of an area to watch for. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able around to post a video tonight or probably the rest of the week, but I hope you guys crush it today, and good luck and take it easy.